What's up, guys? This is gonna be a front bumper for your late 90s Ram. I have another video of the rear bumper. If you need to know how to do that, I have that on the channel. Go check it out. I appreciate it in advance. So I just got the bumper right here. I'm going to be cleaning off the inside, spray painting the inside, hopefully to prevent some future rust on the inside. Then I'm gonna work my way to taking off the old bumper. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and as well as install the new one and kind of go through the steps there. And then after, I will show you the final product and what it looks like. Stay tuned. So this is the new front bumper. I have some brake cleaner here I'm gonna use on a rag and clean out and wipe down all the inside surface. After that, I'm gonna let it dry first. Then I will be spray painting the inside with some black spray paint. This is gonna hopefully limit the amount of rust and corrosion on the inside of the bumper where salt and rocks and debris tends to kick up the most. So now we're at the front of the truck. I just removed the top plastic, which you can just pull off. If you are reusing this plastic, I highly recommend going from the inside with a flashlight and screwdriver and carefully removing the clips. The clips are right here, and they just go through and spread out to secure it into the bumper. So you may want to be more careful if you are reusing the plastic, but I will be replacing the plastic, so I don't have to worry about that. Next, I'm going to be removing this bumper, and then I will be showing you how I reinstalled it. So we just removed the bumper. You're gonna need 18 and 19 millimeter sockets to do so. And then you'll get, I'm reusing these brackets. I'm gonna clean them up with the whiz wheel and grinder and repaint them. You can reuse that and these two. Also, you're gonna have to disconnect your horn. So there's a plug there. You're gonna have to unplug that before you take the bumper off. After you do that, it should come apart pretty easily. And there's the old bumper. Doesn't look too great. You're gonna need a lot of patience too. The inside started to rot out, hard to see, but we'll be getting the new one on soon enough. After you tighten down all the brackets, make sure you reinstall your horn wires and connect them properly, as well as there's a ground right here that connects in this cross piece that I took off earlier. Make sure that ground is secure in there properly. So this is what the bumper looks like. It looks so much better than it did before. Came out great. After you put your brackets back onto this metal piece, you're gonna wanna do these two plastic pieces. So there's 3 clips up here, and there's 2 little plastic dowels on the bottom that you're gonna wanna reuse and carefully install through the bumper. After you do that and have your brackets secure onto the metal piece, then you're gonna have a friend help you push this up into the frame and line it up and put the bolts that connect through the frame in. I believe they're 18 and 19 millimeters. So after you put those in loosely, then sit back and get the bumper nice and flush and level, and then when you're ready, tighten it down. Then you can worry about this bottom plastic. This plastic covers up a lot of the stuff you don't see. And this lower lip connects with, we used metal bolts and plastic dowels. The plastic dowels I highly recommend. You can get them at Advanced Auto or wherever, and they go through and secure that piece in place. After you do those 2 pieces of plastic, then you can install your top lip. That goes down. You just press it into the bumper and it snaps in place. Very straightforward. Big shout out to my dad and his friend Ray for helping me do this. I couldn't have got it done without them. So just a big thanks to them. Stay tuned, guys. Lots more to come on the channel. Thanks.